watching GearZ, brought to you by Holly Performance Products. Fuel your passion. And Cornwell Tools, the choice of professionals.
Hey, welcome to GearZ, where we are about to top off the Faded Levi project. Now, if you're just tuning into this project, the idea was not to completely restore or rebuild this 77 CJ5. There was no reason to. It was in great shape. There was no rust anywhere. It just didn't run. It'd been sitting for 10 years, which is exactly the way that most people are finding projects these days. So the goal was to do a simple level 2 project on it. So the first thing we did was fix any problems and get it running. Oh man, oil pressure looks good. It's 50 pounds. Volts, things are charging. Man, this is great. Then to upgrade any areas that could use improvement. So we put on a new 4-inch lift and 33-inch tall tires for better clearance. We added power brakes to give us more stopping power. We upgraded the exhaust for a better sound. And we put in a tilt steering column so we could get in and out of it easier. And those simple upgrades gave us a fun, reliable classic Jeep that we literally could drive every day if we wanted to, except for one thing, that old ratty top. Now, don't get me wrong, the soft top on a Jeep was great. You could roll them up in the back and on the sides. And what other vehicle could you just pull the doors off and toss them and not care? Unfortunately, the tops had some problems too. The snaps were always a pain. The material would sag with age and it would crack and it would split. And the windows would get scratched and hazy, make them hard to see out of.